Hello, this is Abhijit here from Gujarat, and I'm involved in our own family business. Before I joined with Ramesh, the challenges that I had were I had a lot of dreams, I had a lot of aspirations, I had a lot of lofty goals, which I still do have. But you know, we normally dream that we want to achieve a big, but we do not know the process. We don't focus on the minute details, and we tend to get lost because we don't see our dreams bearing fruits, we don't see any results. So that's why we tend to lose focus. Now, from this boot camp, actually I came across this course from Instagram, and the title of the course was how to be focused like a monk. And that really pulled my attention because I know that in this digital day and age there are a lot of things which pull your attention and which makes you lose your focus from what you are doing and what your goals are. So I signed up for this course, I went through it, and I learned a lot of insights which are pretty much the essential things which are common, but we don't tend to look at it. And Ramesh has been a wonderful mentor. He breaks down everything into such simple habits, such simple things that you totally understand it and you implement it, and you will really make a difference to your life. Let me tell you, Ramesh is a really wonderful person. He is a very down to earth and results oriented mentor, and the information that he has, if you apply it, you will definitely make lots of changes in your personal and professional life. So I would suggest to everybody that please sign up for this boot camp first. Go through this 5-day boot camp, learn the stuff, implement it, and then you can take the decision whether you want to get connected with him for life, whether you want to join his inner circle, whether you want to join his other courses. The moment you start applying the things from his bootcamp, you will see the minute changes that come into your life, and you'll automatically move towards your goals. So that's it from this side. Thank you very much.